Hey guys, welcome again. We'll be about Auto Glass, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. What we got here right now is we got what this is called the combination. As you can see, can you please point us to? Can you see over here the crack? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what we call a star combination. It's got a little tip, line going right here, line going here, line going right there. I'll get a little closer for you guys to see. Basically right here. I know the sun's in our way, but as you can see right there what that is, and it's a combination right there. Okay, so like I said again, first we'll clean it, and this one we'll have to drill. Make sure your tip is good. I'm going to put an inspection here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bullseye. Basically open it up so the resin can flow in nice and neat. You want to hit it very lightly. You don't want to hit it too hard because obviously it's going to crack. So we created a bullseye right now. Once again, take the gun. Make sure it's nice and tight. Lock it in. This is your injector. Make sure it's nice and solid.
I had it done.
Basically just you don't have to let it do, I mean, you know, just a kind of quick thing. Usually you should leave it for a minute, but I kind of do it already so good and so quick that I just have my own routine of doing it. Do it quick times. Good. Yeah. Cover it up here because we don't want the sun. So we're doing a quick suction real quick. 1 minute suction. You know, this business could be very good to you, it could be very bad. And honestly, you're gonna have tough times, you're gonna have good times. My suggestion is if somebody's looking to get into this, make sure this is the right business for you. Make sure you know what you're doing. It's not as simple as you look. You know, I just a 1, 2, 3 process. It's very easy to crack the windshield. Very easy. It's like too much pressure, it's gonna crack on you. So you know, make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you get the right equipment. Most important, right equipment is very important. A lot of people offer a lot of different tools in the market. You know, my suggestion is research it. Unfortunately, you can't get this gun. This is called the Annihilator. It's not on the market no more. The person that made this gun actually served the patent. So this gun is not around anymore, unfortunately. This is probably the best gun. This is better than the Delta kit. better than Glass Weld, or the 360 injector, or there's another one. It's called the Maxim. So there's a bunch of different ones out there, but this is the best one in my opinion. I've tried them all. And Safeway, by the way, it's the worst company in the world. Not because it's Safeway, but it's just the truth. They suck. Their commercials are fake. They make it look real nice. Yeah, constant disappeared. No, they're not showing you a real-time job with this. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do a little trick. You gotta be very careful with this too. Put a little seal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the crack a little bit. The little lines here. I'm gonna put it too much, just a little bit. We'll take a little film strip. Good one there. And we're gonna let it cure for about 15 minutes. Now we're cleaning up the gun. Very simple process with this gun, how it cleans up. Then you can just wipe it down. This is 91% alcohol. Do a little squirt right there. Like that. Unscrew. Whoa. Let it stand. Like the access resin right here. Let the sun cure for about 2 minutes real quick. And you see we're across from fellah on the group. This is where we just did BMW and we installed 2 windshields on about an hour, 20 minutes. So we're pretty quick as well, but very professional. I always say quick is not good. If you are quick, that's great. Make sure you're quick and you're good. Don't rush. There's no point to rush. You know what I mean? People say, money's time, time is money. Yeah, mistakes is money too. So be very careful. You make a mistake, it's gonna cost you a lot more money. So take your time. Sun's very good right now, so it's drying up kind of quick. I mean, usually, I would let it stand there for about 2-3 minutes. The sun's, sun's cured. And now, if the sun's not around, you need a black light. So let's say you're doing this in a garage or something, or at nighttime, there's a black light. And the black light, you put it on basically, and it's like a UV light, and it cures it for you. But in a day like this, when the sun's out, you're getting UV rays from the sun. The sun's more powerful than any type of black light out there. It makes you go like this. That noise is coming off, then it's ready. So we wipe up the excess resin right now. The film strip. As you can see, it's done. You see where it was before? This is it right here. I mean, it's gone. As you can see, that's it. I mean, you know, very professional. All you see is a perfect job. You know, all the lines are crossed in. That's basically it. Once again, thank you very much for joining us. If you need us, please give us a call. 267-586-7145. Liberty Bell Auto Glass. We're in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We're #1 in Tri-State. Our prices are the best, guaranteed. We will not be beaten. If you can get a better price, we will match it or beat it. We come out to you for your convenience. We do it all. We do chip repairs. We do window installation, heavy restoration. We do sunroofs. We do side windows, rear windows.
Door glasses.
Upholstery.
Door glass.
We do door glass. And we do the
Regulators.
I forgot what they're called. Right here.
The headliner. Headliner.
Yeah, we do the headliner.
We do regulators.
I mean, we do it all. One-stop shop. So give us a call, all right? Check us out. www.libertybellautoGlass.net. Join us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or call us. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Peace.